In this video I'm going to show you how to add or create a upload button to Google Forms so people can upload files into it when applying for the questionnaire. So what we will do, we will create a blank format or use an existing one. Now I have opened my Google form, and for the next one we need to add another question. So we will click on the add question. After that you will see there will be opened a new dialog. As you can see, we can select different options over here at multiple choice, so select that one, then scroll a little bit down and you will find file upload. Select this option, and as you can see, you can let people upload files. So we will continue to this one. So the next step is to add some text over here, like here you can upload your photo. So what we will do, you can also allow only specific file types. So select this one if you only would like to add PDFs, images, or for example videos. So select the preferred type, and after that we can continue to the next steps. So for this one I will use an image, and as you can see we can add a maximum number of files. So for this one we only need one photo of someone, so we will leave it on 1. After that you can select the maximum file size, so you can use bigger file sizes up to 1 GB. So for this one I will make it a little bit bigger, let's say 100 MB. I will make this required, so people have to upload a photo in this section. Now after that you can view your folder, and here will be all the uploaded images from the questionnaires. So what we will do, we will leave it like this, then we will click on publish, and then we can show how it works. So after that click on the copy response link and copy the link, then we will open a new tab. And then I will show you guys how to upload a picture. As you can see, we can fill in the date, the time, and after that here you can upload your photo. It will also show the maximum uploads which are available at this form, and also the max size. So what we can do, we can add a file and just browse. After that we will select a photo. For this one I will use just an image, and as you can see it is now uploading. After that I can submit and send the form to the owner. And this is how you add or create a upload button for files to Google Forms. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!